Patty, we have a big fan out there. You're going to show her the same respect as she would have if she were sitting out there and any one of you were up here. So, Senorina, have a seat right here. Okay, was that Ariana? Is that what I heard? Okay, and you're going to position your hands like the Mona Lisa. Her right hand is over her left, very good. Place it on your lap, very good. Very good, there you go. And this is just a prop. We're just gonna maybe throw this over your shoulder. There you go. All right, relax, just sit back. She's so, okay, all right. And I'll be right back. Let's see here. What's going on? Hey! It's me, Leonardo da Vinci, and I'm here to tell you how I come to paint the beautiful, the bella, the bellissima, the Mona Lisa. Now, first of all, there I was, living with the Duke of Milan, when all of a sudden, there was a knock on the castle door. And when I opened the door, there standing, all the way from Florence, Italy, was a very handsome and a very wealthy merchant. And he come to ask me, Leonardo da Vinci, if I would be interested in a painting of the lovely new bride, the Mona Lisa. It was to be a wedding. Now I had to think. I was a very busy man. I was not just an artist. I was an architect, an engineer. I designed buildings for war. I studied the human body, not just on the outside, but on the inside. So I don't know if I had time to be painting a portrait of the Mona Lisa. But when I took a look at her beautiful, beautiful face, I said, Mamma mia, what a good looking. Now, first of all, the Mona Lisa would take Leonardo 4 long years to paint. But she did not sit there for 4 years. No. The Mona Lisa, I would illustrate her from every angle. The front, the back, the sides. And when I was done with all of my illustrations, I would take them back to my art studio, where I could finish the portrait of this lovely, lovely lady, the Mona Lisa. And there you go. That's how I come to paint the beautiful, the bellissima, the bella. And let's give Ariana a big hand. She did a beautiful job. Thank you so much. I love Marisa. Take a bow. Take a bow. Very good. And in his possession, as he was working with the King of France, they would find in his possession the portrait of the Mona Lisa, and they would find a journal. Now, this journal was about the size of the Bible. And inside of this journal were hundreds of pages of illustration, manuscript, ideas, drawings, all done by our art master, Leonardo da Vinci. Now, even though Da Vinci painted some of the most famous pictures in the world, what he loved to do was to illustrate. So in this last and final Art Master Studio Art project, you are going to become a scientific illustrator, like Leonardo. You're going to take your subject, whatever it may be. You're going to place it on your canvas. You're going to draw the outline of its actual size. And with your drawing tool, you're going to add the shadow, the shading, the value, all of the detail that gives your subject its realness. And let's see what type of artist you are. It really challenges your ability as an artist. All right, we're going to get our lights out.